Hey everyone, welcome back to the DT Practice channel. Today I'm sharing a comprehensive guide for the Read and Select section of the Duolingo English Test. This 2025 guide will help you tackle this task with confidence. What is the Read and Select task? It's straightforward. You need to determine whether the word on your screen is a real English word or not. During the test, you simply click Yes or No to make your choice. Let's look at the basic information. You have just 5 seconds to answer each question, and each test session includes 15 to 18 consecutive questions of this type. Once you make your selection, the system immediately shows the next word, and you cannot change your answer after submission. So, how do you approach this task effectively? Remember these key points. You must make a choice for each word, as skipping counts as an incorrect answer. Don't worry about the distribution of real versus made-up words. Focus on each word individually. Most importantly, pay close attention to details, as some words may appear real but have subtle differences that make them incorrect. Now, let me share some efficient answering strategies. First, examine each word carefully. Small spelling differences can transform a real word into a non-existent one. Second, learn word construction. Familiarize yourself with common roots, prefixes, and suffixes in English to better understand how words are formed. Third, master spelling rules. Understanding typical English spelling patterns will help you identify errors in words that seem real. Fourth, expand your vocabulary. Regular practice will help you recognize real words more easily. Let's discuss common mistakes and how to avoid them. Watch out for spelling variations. For example, snush should be slush. Always mentally spell out the word to check if any letters have been modified. Be alert for incorrect word forms. For instance, unformal should be informal. Ensure the word structure follows logical grammatical rules. Check for morphological errors. For example, child should be children. Words with improper variations should be identified as incorrect. For additional improvement, use spare moments throughout your day to review and memorize words, focusing specifically on spelling. Remember, vocabulary building is a gradual process. Dedicate time to learning new words and reviewing old ones. With consistent practice and a growing vocabulary, you'll improve your accuracy and achieve great results in the Read and Select task. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to DT Practice for more Duolingo English Test tips. See you in the next video.